Hello stars and hello fellow pageant lovers, this is your Diva Star. During the Miss Universe 2025 press conference in Thailand, Kun An mentioned that for national director, she's thinking that it should only be Miss Universe and Miss Grand franchises only. And this sparked a lot of negative commentaries or negative reaction from the pageant community na tila ba ano ba? Patapo na ba ang Miss Universe brand or lalo mo bang pinapaliit yung iyong mundo? Diba sa pageantry? Parang downgraded na ba talaga ang Miss Universe? Parang having this kind of thought even is parang nakaka-turn off. Diba? So, parang ako, definitely, obviously, the answer is why? Bakit magiging exclusive lang for the Universe and Grand? Diba? Again, there are a lot of pageants already existing, 'di ba? Since a lot of us are pageant fans. Dito pa lang sa Pilipinas ang dami-dami na. And if kung magiging ganito, parang mata-turn off even the national directors or franchise owners from different countries, right? Again, yes, Miss Universe is, sabi nga ni Papa Nawat, the top class pageant, right? However, with the previous years' performances, controversies, and negativities circulating the brand, nagda-downgrade siya. And hindi naman tanga or hindi naman hindi nag-iisip ang mga pageant fans. Andyan ang maraming emerging pageants like Supranational, Miss Grand International. Give them some time and more years na consistently na maganda ang production, 'di ba? Makakalimutan ng tao ang universe, 'di ba? Because of that. So for me, no. And at the same time, nag-spark din ng controversy yung comment ni Papa Nawat na parang pinatatamaan di umano ang Cosmo. So ang nangyari, ang mga Miss Universe Vietnam daw ay nag-unfollow sa Miss Universe. Wow. 'Di ba? Hindi pa po pageant ng Miss Universe. Wala pa tayo sa November pero ang dami ng maiinit na mga balita, 'di ba, circulating the pageant. So yes, they're relevant but the question is, top class pa rin kaya ang Miss Universe brand after this year? Let me know your thoughts. Cheers!